Our primary mission is really to be able to collect as much evidence as we can at the highest fidelity possible, and then be able to in turn analyze that evidence, and then once that analysis is done, be able to accurately and clearly present that evidence to whoever it is that we're trying to present it to. We've become extraordinarily confident in using the Leo in our work. We continue to be impressed by its capability, continue to be impressed by the data that it generates, continue to be impressed by the speed at which we can collect data. With the tripod-based scanner, you end up having to put it on a tripod and then you have to move it around the vehicle in stations. It can take several hours. Whereas with the Leo, the time required to actually get the scans together to collect the data is much contracted. And you're getting the color data at the same time you're getting the three-dimensional data, which just speeds the whole process up tremendously. We want to create the highest fidelity digital twin or virtual three-dimensional image of that vehicle that we possibly can. And I can go all the way around the vehicle, I can go under it, I can go inside it, I can go in the engine compartment, and I can create what looks like a photorealistic representation of that vehicle, but it's three-dimensional. We can go in and we can take the undamaged model, and this is in the Artec Studio software. We can align it with the damaged model. Once we've got them aligned, then now we can start to see where all the damage is on the damaged vehicle versus an undamaged vehicle. At that location, it's telling you what's the offset between the nearest neighbor of that point on your damaged vehicle and the undamaged vehicle. Again, it just really gives us this extra level of fidelity over and above what we would get with the previous generation, if you will, of laser scanners. There's no question that the Artec Leo makes us better at doing what we as a company do.